Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the camera settings on your 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and adjust the camera settings for your reverse camera. How do you actually go ahead and adjust your camera settings on your 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the setup button, which is located right over here. Next, click on display. And then from here, you're going to click on camera settings. Next, you can either adjust the display contents or the display settings. So if you click on display settings, you can see that I now am able to adjust the display settings. If you click on display content, you can actually go ahead and extend the rear view monitor or adjust the rear view parking guidelines. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and adjust the camera settings on your 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.